Hey guys, wanted to give an update on how some of these plants are doing. It's been, I don't know, 3 weeks or so since I last posted, maybe a little longer, but as you can see in the background here is the hydroponic system. You can see I've got a couple of plants that's really kind of taken off, and if you recall from the last video, these two had died, and since then I quickly planted some collard greens in there, and they died within 1 week. And if you recall, let me get away from the light here. If you recall, the collard greens came out of this red cup, which is what those two things are. And took them out, thought I would put them in the hydroponic solution there, and they died, like I said, rather quickly. A couple of updates. If you recall from the last video, I had a plant in this particular container that looked like it was about to die. It was on his last leg. In fact, I took it out of this position here, put it in here for it to do something, and it did indeed die. And so that one's gone. And now I have this one that was seemingly healthy in this particular pot, and it is not doing so well. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm getting plenty of light on my plants. I'll show you the grow light in a second. But these seem to be doing fairly well in the cups. Not a ton of soil in there. That one's still rather, I guess, relatively healthy. And then this one has started to produce some flowers. And you can see, I don't know, 4 or 5 on there. You can really kind of see it here and here. If I can move that, you can see that. And then there's a few other smaller ones on there. So it's starting to do something. We'll see what it does. I'll kind of keep you updated as hopefully it will start to fruit. And then I've got this one here in this cup. Here it looks to me the same. Not a lot of growth, not a lot of it doesn't look super healthy, but it looks like it's okay. And then this one here, put in a bigger pot several weeks ago. It looks to me the same. I don't know if you can tell any difference. And then this one up here looks a little taller to me, a little healthier. So I'm kind of liking where it's going. And then down here, I've got some lettuce that I planted a few weeks ago. It already started to sprout. That came up from seed. And then my newest addition is here. It's already flowering out. Hopefully it will do something soon. This is a chili red hot pepper. The one next to it here is I think that's an Anaheim pepper. Not doing anything just yet. And then this tall one here looks fairly healthy. That's a regular jalapeno, which I did repot. And once I repotted it, the blooms came off of it. So, or not the blooms, but it started to have a couple of flowers. And I do see one at the top that's super, super tiny. That's right in there. And we'll kind of keep our eyes on it to see what it does. And then finally, in the back, in the food tray, are the seedlings that I showed you last time. I do want to show you this plant. I had this plant a couple years ago from my mom, and it's actually doing really well. It started not to do so well, but what I think is happening here is this grow light, which I have going in all different directions. It sort of shines a light on it, and it's sort of leaning to the left, if you will. And because it's leaning to the left, it to me looks like it's going in the direction of the light. But so does everything else. I mean, look at that one. It's growing in the direction of that light. And if I move the position of the light, I think it'll grow in the opposite direction. So I see that from a lot of these plants. But the last thing I want to show you is this big boy. It looks unhealthy at this point. It looks like it's going through something. It has been healthier. I've had this plant nearly 23 years. It's almost as old as my daughter. And this thing has been through 3 states with me. It's been through a lot. It's had some growing pains. It's looked worse. It's looked better. But 23 years in the same pot. I've never repotted. Never repotted. And just kind of wondering what's going on. I'm thinking maybe it's not getting enough sunlight. But if you can kind of tell me in the comments what I need to do for this thing, that would be helpful. Again, I've had it 23 years. I don't want to see it die. I've took good care of it. I've carried it around the country with me. And I like to keep, I like to keep it. I'd like to see it do better and flourish. So maybe I need to move its position and put it to where it could get some sunlight, but it is in the corner opposite the window. So, but here is where everything else is. It's where the grow light is. It's where kind of all the magic is happening. So, hope this was a good update. I did want to show it, and I wanted to show the evolution of what's happening here, what's happening in the cups, what's happening in hydroponics, and then what's happening down here as we get to the end of February and hopefully get to take some of this stuff outside soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate any of your comments. I always do. And thank you so much for following. Take care.